Hello. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we're going to be exploring the Touch Type tool in Adobe Illustrator CC. Let's type some text. For doing this, select Type tool. It is in the toolbar on the right-hand side of the screen. Now start typing. Now select the Touch Type tool, located in the toolbar on the right-hand side of the screen. Click and hold on the Type tool until a menu appears, and then select the Touch Type tool. Once you have selected the text, you can use the Touch Type tool to manipulate individual characters. Simply click on a character to select it and then use the handles to resize, rotate, or skew the character. You can also adjust the color, font, and other properties. You can also apply various effects to individual characters, such as adding a stroke or a fill color. That's it for today's tutorial on using the Touch Type tool in Adobe Illustrator to edit individual characters within a text. We hope you found this tutorial useful and that you'll join us for our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one.